Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to EVA session. In last classes, we have discussed that Gandhiji made a fabric by hand. Find out which one. That is 157 page number. Gandhiji made a fabric by hand. That is Khadi. 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 We have to thank these people who helped to give us our clothes. Yes, we have to thank them to tailors and weavers because both they are prepare different occasions, different clothes. How we want that type, the tailor stitches the clothes as we want them stitched. So the weaver weaves the cloth out of fiber. So these are a very helpful and thankful for people. We are thanks to them. So we must wear a clean and iron clothes only. We must wear clothes that are comfortable and fit well. So we must wear clothes to suit the weather. Yes, we have to wear first suited weather, because depending upon the weather condition we have to wear our clothes. So in summer, what kind of clothes should we have wear in summer? We should wear a light cotton clothes in a summer, because that on that day the sunrises, the sunset are very high power. So we have to wear a light cotton clothes in summer. Next, why do we wear a raincoat when it rains? Yes, we have to wear a rainy season the plastic coated clothes, that is raincoats, gum boots, because they are not inside our body or inside our which clothes we are wearing, they will not get wet. So we have to wear a plastic raincoats or gum boots. Okay, these answers I will provide on WhatsApp group. Please prepare our notes and go through the lessons 157 page number. And why do we need clothes? Give 4 reasons. We need our clothes. Clothes are worn by one and all. It may be shirt, dress or costume at a ball. If it is hot or cotton, it's best to be and word best in the breeze. So why we all need clothes? Why? To cover our body, to protect us from weather, heat, rain and cold, and to protect us from insects too. So we need clothes to cover our body, to protect us from the weather, heat, rain and cold, and protect us from insects. So we need clothes. These answers also I provide on WhatsApp group. And next come to match the fabric with its sources. They given oil, silk, sheep, cotton, silkworm, polyester, cotton plant, wool. We have to match the fabric from oil, polyester, silk, silkworm, sheep, wool, cotton plant. The clothes you are wearing are made of which material? Now in which season, which material you are wearing, you have to come to know. That is, please ask your parents and find out from your mother how these stains can be removed all in a day. I tried hard to keep my socks clean, but are not puddles fun? I tried hard to keep my shirt clean, but are not paints fun? I tried hard to keep my trousers clean, but it's not bird fun. I tried hard to keep my sweater clean, but are not playground fun. So I tried hard to keep myself clean, but mum is not school fun. Please read out the 158 page number. You come to know that how we are the mud and all are putting on our dresses, how we are making that dirty. The children are how they are making by using a painting, by playing a mud, how the mama will washing, they will come to know. Once I repeat, I tried hard to keep my socks clean, but are not puddles fun? I tried hard to keep my shirt clean, but are not paints fun? I tried hard to keep my trousers clean, but is not mud fun? I tried hard to keep my sweater clean, but are not playgrounds fun? I tried hard to keep myself clean, but mum is not school fun. Just please read out. Okay, and next come to why can't you stretch your shoes to fit you? And does red wool come from red sheep? No, the red will not come from red sheep. And why can't you stretch your shoes to fit you? These answers I provide on WhatsApp group. Okay, please read out the 158 page number, that project. Find out which from your mother how these stains can be removed. These answers tomorrow we will discuss, but now you have to come and read with your help of parents. Okay? Yes. Bye. Have a good day.